What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another Gele tutorial video. So let's get into it. So for this particular video, you do need like paper. In this video, I used a leaflet and a half to into two, and then I'm using like a material. I don't know what the material is called. So I put that, and then I folded the paper into the material. That's kind of what's giving it the hard shape onto my forehead. And then I divided this material into 50-50. So this was a 50-50 measurement. Put it on my head, and I tied it just like from the beginning of my forehead to the back, and I tied it round, secured it, make sure it was secured. Came around, adjusted it for a little while, and then make sure it was sitting well. As you can see, I'm like having to tuck it in, so that way that was what the paper was giving that lift, that hard look. And then I just grabbed the one side of the material, and I was just folding them, so kind of like trying to get pleats. So as you can see, I was trying to find the middle part of the material, so trying to make sure the edges that were cut out wasn't what I was aiming for, wasn't going to end up like right in front of the gele. So I just grabbed the material and I was just pleating them. As you can see, just put them together. So pleating them in the sense where I was folding them up, and I just brought it right across onto my onto the front of the material. I was trying to make sure I can get the pleats and follow, so the pleats follows all the way. And after doing that, just using my hand to knitting it up, I still come back to knit up the front. I was trying to see if I can make sure it's there before pinning it, right? So I did that, and yeah, it wasn't working. I was like, nope, let's try this again. Retry, restart. So again, as you can see, I was doing it until I got exactly what I wanted. Say, hey, no rush. This is a very simple, easy style. I've been seeing a lot on like a lot more on the Hausa women on Instagram. They can use your normal gele ashoke to tie this. You can use material, and you can use other ones that I'm not too sure what the names are, but if you do know the names, you can leave it down in the comments, and I'm sure others would love to know what the name is called. So I got my pin. At this point I was like, you know what, I'm just going to pin it down and then come back and sort the pleating out, which is what I did. So I did that, and there you go. You can see me trying to make sure I got all my pleats, and the pleats are showing fine. And then I got the remaining part of the material, and I just wrapped it round to the back to give like a donut shape at the back, just to tuck it away. Because if I bring it to the front, which you can, by the way, you can bring it to the front just like I did that side, the one side, but this time around I decided just to tuck it away. I didn't really want it too full or too thick. I didn't want that thick looking, style. So I tucked it away and got myself another pin and pinned the beginning, the one I brought in front, and the tucking away, and I pinned it together. And once I did that, I came back to the front and adjusted the pleats even more. As you can see, yeah, I just played around, literally just play around, see what you can achieve, see what look you want, like, yeah, fiddle around with it, as long as you've pinned it and secured it, fiddle around with it, see what you like, see what you want to achieve. By the way, this doesn't always have to be pleats. You can make it straight, you can make it twisted. I'm gonna do a video on different ones on how to achieve different looks. You can make it twist, you can make it straight, you can make it pleated. For today's tutorial, I want to pleat it. Yep, oops, I pinned my hair with the material. But thank God I already secured it too far, so everything else didn't fall off. So I just pinned that right back again. I accidentally, not incident, accidentally pinned my hair with the material. But yeah, I was just fiddling around and I thought, you know what, I like the way it looks now, and I was happy with this look, and that was it. So that's the end of today's tutorial video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. For now, remain blessed. Enjoy the rest of the other Gele tutorial videos that I've put in a playlist together, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.
Let us do this again. Yes, we are back again. I am a star. They won't kill my shine. I wanna know.